Hello to all of you. My name is Ria Pal. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Electronics Engineering. In this session, we are going to learn the difference between OR and NOR logic gate. What is the main difference between them? Let us see. The first difference is the symbolic representation. Now, what do you mean by the term symbol? Symbol means the structure or how a thing looks like, that is called as a symbol. So towards left hand side you can see OR logic gate symbolic representation, and towards right hand side you can see the NOR logic gate symbolic representation. For both these gates I have taken two inputs. Okay, now always remember one thing, that in a logic gate you can apply as many number of inputs, but the output remains only one. Okay, so here in this example I have used two input. First input I have marked as A, the second input I have marked as B. Similarly, for NOR logic gate I have used the same input A and input B. The output of both of these logic gates are represented by capital Y. Okay, for OR logic gate output expression is A plus B. Okay, and for NOR logic gate it is A plus B whole inverse. Okay, now from where I am getting this whole inverse, this straight line which I have written above A plus B, that is because of this bubble. Now you can see output of the OR logic gate will not have any bubble. See over here, there is no bubble represented for OR logic gate, but there exists a bubble for NOR logic gate. This means that whatever the output this NOR logic gate is giving, that is in the inverted form. So it is A plus B the whole bar. Okay, now I hope you have went through video part 5 and video part 6. Now that video explains the complete detail about NOR and OR logic gate. From where I am getting A plus B and A plus B bar, that is explained in video 5 and video 6. If you have not went through that video, I will put the link of those two videos in the description box below. Okay, now I hope you understood the symbolic representation of OR and NOR logic gate. I repeat, here for an example point of view, I have taken two input A and B for OR as well as for NOR. Output for OR is y equal to A plus B. Output for NOR is y equal to A plus B bar. This is the symbolic representation and the output equation for OR and NOR logic gate. Now, in the definition, this is a technical definition which you are viewing on the screen right now. And this you can pause the video. If you want, you can jot down the technical definition. But let me tell you one thing, that for OR logic gate, the definition which is given towards the left hand side of your screen, which you can see, OR logic gate, always remember this, OR logic gate will give the high output, okay, when at least one of the input is at high logic level. I will repeat, OR logic gate will give the high output when at least one of its input is at high logic level. NOR logic gate will give high output when both its input are at low logic level. I again repeat, NOR logic gate will give high output when both its input are at low logic level. Now, based on this definition, we form a truth table. Now, truth table of OR is shown towards left hand side, and for NOR logic gate it is shown towards right hand side. Now, I already said output for OR logic gate is y equal to A plus B, whereas output for NOR logic gate is A NOR B, or else you can also say as A plus B the whole bar. Okay, now these combinations, see the column of A and column of B for OR gate, and see the column of A and column of B for NOR gate. Both are same. Both have the same combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So from where I got this combination? These combination I got by using a very simple and small formula, that is 2 power n, where n represents the number of input you are giving to a logic gate. Since here for both the logic gate I am giving two input, one is represented as A and another is by the alphabet B. So here I will write 2 raised to 2. Okay, so n is 2, so 2 raised to 2 will give me the 4. So using two inputs A and B, I can make 4 combinations. Those 4 combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. And always remember, you need to start from 0 because 0 indicates a low value. So always starts from 0. Always remember one more thing. The first column will be double 0. Okay, back to back, two zeros back to back, and 2 1 back to back. So 0 0 1 1. And second column will start from 0 but 0 1 0 1 alternately. So here see the column of B. In both the cases I have written 0 1 0 1 alternately. So I hope this is clear how to make the column of A and how to make the column of B. Now the output column, the third column which you can see on the screen for OR gate, this comes from the definition of OR gate. I already stated the definition in simple words. Now OR gate will give me high output if at least one of its input is at high logic. Okay, now see, compare A and B. The first thing 0 0. Okay, here both are at low, so output is low. In all the remaining cases, here at least one of the input is at high, so output is 1. Similarly, for 1 0 combination, A is at high and B is at low. So here also it is satisfying the condition that at least 1 is at high, so output is 1. See the last row. In the last row I have A as 1, B as 1. So here both the inputs are at high, so definitely I am going to get a high output. So I will write 1 at the output side. I hope how to make the truth table for OR gate is clear. Now see how I have obtained the output of NOR gate. The output of NOR gate is based on the simple NOR gate definition. Okay, I already stated in simple words, NOR gate will give the high output when its all input are at low logic. So see 0 0 both are at low, both the inputs are at low, so the output Y will be 1. For all the remaining combinations 0 1 1 0 1 1, here at least one of them or both of them are at high logic, so it will not give me the high output, it will give a low output. So for 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 combinations, for all these three combinations I will get a low output by a NOR gate. I hope the NOR gate how to form the truth table is clear. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Electronics Engineering. Thank you.